solve the problems of the world one night down at the old whip inn. Drank Chinese Lone Star, Texas craft beer, couldn't find a pen. We adjourned that meeting to a van that parked out in the street. Well, 2 weeks later that van was gone, now gone was on its feet. We get drunk, sometimes we get stoned, but he asked me how I do it, well, I guess they don't know. This is America, and it's a free country. In the words of Bald Eagle, I say scream. In the words of Bald Eagle, in the words of Bald Eagle, in the words of Bald Eagle, I say scream. America.
All right, you're listening to Soundcheck 817. You just heard Fire Eagle by Shotgun Friday. I'm Eddie Brown with Fort Worth Weekly, and I'm joined by Mr. Tony Drewry, frontman for Shotgun Friday, who will be performing our live music this Sunday at the Homebrew Throwdown. So Tony, Shotgun Friday, whenever I've seen you guys, you're at beer festivals and beer-themed events. Has that always been an important part of your venue choice?
Yeah, I mean, we drink good beer, and we like to promote good beer culture. And I used to work for the Raw Brewery back in the day, and I also played in a band, so it just kind of went hand in hand together, music and beer. People like them.
Well, you can hear Tony, you can talk to him at a Q&A session this Sunday for the Fort Worth Weekly Homebrew Throwdown. Get here at noon here at the Panther Island Pavilion Shack and watch the Cowboys game. We'll have beer for sale from local brewers. 3 o'clock, we're going to start a Q&A session with Fritz Rahr, Tony, Adam Gonzalez, and some other really important and cool craft beer folks from the area. You can ask them questions you've always wanted to know. How do they make your favorite beer and why? And then we have the actual competition going on in the side door at 3:30. Again, you can see some incredible brewers from Martin House, Collective Brewing Project, judging local homebrew entries. And then Shotgun Friday goes on at 4:30. All day we're going to have beer for sale from local breweries, and we're going to have food catered from Salsa Limon. It's going to be one heck of a party. So join us this Sunday, listen to Tony, and then hear him sing some more.